Since 1988, I've specialized representing police officers who have been injured in the line of duty, a role I didn't originally set out to fill, but one that has become deeply meaningful to me. It all began when a relative of one of my employees, a local police officer in Everett, Massachusetts, was injured during a stolen car chase. When I was asked if I could help, I didn't hesitate. We fought hard and I secured hundreds of thousands of dollars in compensation for his serious injuries. That one case back in the 1980s led to another referral and then another. Over the years, I've been privileged to represent police officers from over 200 departments across Massachusetts. One thing I realized early on is that while officers are trained extensively in the legal rights of others, they often don't know their own rights when they're injured on duty. And what I've also learned is how devastating the financial impact of an injury can be. Many officers rely heavily on the income from overtime and road details just to make ends meet. When they are hurt and can no longer work those extra hours, it can be a tremendous hardship. Since that time, I've made it my mission to not only represent injured officers, but to educate them. I traveled across the state, lecturing police officers on what their rights are when they're hurt on duty, and how they can protect themselves in the event of future injuries. I've taught them how to make critical adjustments to their personal automobile insurance policies and given them best practices for working road details in dangerous conditions where too often companies who hired them failed to provide proper safety measures. To date, I've lectured to over 50 local and statewide police unions and organizations, including the Massachusetts Police Association, MassCop, MACLEA, MALLE, and the Massachusetts Chiefs of Police Association. In these talks, I've worked hard to dispel common myths that prevent injured officers from receiving the compensation they deserve, like the idea that receiving workers' comp type benefits means they can't make a claim, or that filing a claim would upset their superiors. In fact, I've represented many chiefs and officers who later became chiefs. Another concern I've addressed is the fear that making a claim might mean suing a fellow officer. That's simply not true, both legally and in practice. I've had that privilege of helping officers with all types of injuries, from cruiser and motorcycle accidents to hit-and-run injuries sustained during arrests, shootings, dog bites, foot chases, and accidents caused by defective premises like broken stairs or icy conditions. We've recovered hundreds of thousands of dollars for officers who've returned to work but continue to suffer from their injuries. Our firm handles these cases on a contingency basis, just like any other personal injury case, so officers only pay us if and when we win their case. If you believe you have a claim, I encourage you to reach out. We're here to review your case and guide you through the process. Contact us by phone or through our website, and we'll personally review your case and discuss how we can help you secure the compensation you deserve. I've been fortunate to form lasting friendships with officers across the Commonwealth, and I look forward to making you one of our many successful clients.